हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, the WHO also says most of the cancers, many of the cancers, about 50% of the cancers are because of our lifestyle.
एक्चुअली कैंसर है क्या आपके हिसाब से?
हमारे बॉडी में सेल्स होते हैं. सो दीज सेल्स दे कीप ऑन डिवाइडिंग एंड when they divide, it is under the instruction of the body. The body cells tells the cells to divide, and the body sends signals to the cells that now you stop dividing. So that is how we grow.
कितने टाइप का कैंसर होते हैं मैम?
कैंसर इज इन्यूमरेबल. एक ऑर्गन को ही हम ले, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, लंग कैंसर, they are innumerable. In fact, every 2 cancers, they are different. So every 2 person will be treated differently. So there are many types of cancers.
ऐसी क्या क्या चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से ये कैंसर होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा होता है?
Your food habits. Food is that we eat more of fancy foods, जिसमें रफेज कम होते हैं, that is fibers कम होते हैं, green vegetables कम होते हैं.
हमारी लाइफस्टाइल किस तरह का होना चाहिए?
ओबिसिटी एकदम नहीं होना चाहिए. ओबीस जैसी फैट बढ़ता है हमारे बॉडी में, लेकिन फैट इज रिलेटेड टू बैड फूड एंड लेस एक्सरसाइज.
क्या अल्कोहल एंड तंबाकू कितने % कैंसर के चांसेस होते हैं इससे?
लेकिन टोबैको अब चाहे 1 ले या 10 ले, इट इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ. एंड अल्कोहल एंड टोबैको दोनों अगर साथ में लेते हैं, इट इज पॉइजनस. इट्स वेरी डेंजरस.
फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है कि हमें पता लगे कि ये कैंसर का सिम्टम? क्या जिनका बॉडी में फैट ज़्यादा है उनको कैंसर होने का चांस ज़्यादा है, या जिनका हेल्दी एक बॉडी रहता है उनका ज़्यादा रहता है? Hi ma'am, welcome to the Open Talk Show.
Thank you, Shaheen. Thank you so much for having me here, and thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yes, how are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking, and I'm happy you're here.
Same here, same here.
Yeah, and I will definitely talk about a lot of things about with your experience, with your expertise. As I see today's, जो हमारी इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा pollutions के issues है, and lot of people are going through cancer, और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को अवेयरनेस नहीं है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू कवर दैट. ओके, विल बात करेंगे, और साथ में हम बात करेंगे कि किस तरह के लाइफस्टाइल, किस तरह का फूड है जिससे हम अगर हम उसको फॉलो करते हैं तो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल थोड़ा बेहतर हो सकता है, और जो कैंसर है, कैंसर डिजीज से हम उससे दूर रह सकते हैं. राइट, सो विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. You have 32-year experience in as a cancer specialist. So I'm happy to be sitting in front of you, and I will get to know a lot of things, I'm sure. जो आपकी experience है, आपने बहुत different time zone में चीज़ों को देखी है. So you have a lot of difference from the experience about 20 साल पहले क्या था और आज के डेट में क्या है. सो हम बहुत सारे इससे मैं बात करेंगे. सो बिफोर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट यू, फ्रॉम यू, अबाउट योर चाइल्डहुड, अबाउट योर इंटरेस्ट, अबाउट योर जर्नी. सो प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट यू. थोड़ा अपने बारे बताइए. व्हाट्स मेक यू बिकम ए डॉक्टर इन दैट टाइम?
So I belong to Jamshedpur. It's a small town in Jharkhand.
Okay.
That time it was in Bihar. So, and I belong to a very middle class, but very academically oriented, morality oriented family.
Okay.
My parents both were teachers, and we are 3 sisters. So all we knew from the beginning was studies.
Okay.
And that we have to study well. We have to stand on our own feet. And that was what we were taught.
Okay.
So becoming a doctor, so one was that during those time in the late 70s and 1980s,
okay,
we did not have much options.
Right.
It was not the era of TVs, social media, nothing. All India Radio was all we heard, and the newspapers. So we had only 2-3 options: engineer, become an engineer, or a teacher, or a doctor.
Right.
My father was a teacher, but he had a dream of becoming a doctor.
Okay.
But he had a difficult growing up family life. So although he started studying MBBS, but he could not complete it.
Okay.
So that was a desire which he cherished, and a dream which he could not fulfill.
Okay.
So I am probably living his dream.
Okay.
I am fulfilling those uncherished dreams of my father.
Great,
So
great.
that is how I became a doctor.
I think your father in that moment when you become a doctor, he is most proud of father in that time. I
Yes,
think
yes,
because
he was.
you know the day I think when you have become a doctor in that moment, this rare woman become a doctor. I guess if I'm
Yes.
not wrong.
No, there were many women who are now they have increased, but in our time also there were many girls
Okay.
who were becoming doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया
अभी
in
बहुत
that
ज़्यादा
way.
यार, there are many girls who are becoming
Correct,
doctor.
correct.
Yes.
Because now people are choosing doctor because it's one of the skill which is
yes,
always
yes.
attractive. It's
Yes.
helpful for the other people.
Yes,
Okay,
it's a profession of service.
right. So in a journey, आपको शुरू में जब आए as a doctor बनने के लिए, what's your like experience in the first time when you become a like cancer doctor बनने के लिए आए थे?
So cancer is becoming after MBBS you go into MD,
Okay.
and that is when you choose your super specialization.
Mm-hmm.
So for us, of course, it was not so much of choosing because we had a test,
Mm-hmm.
and in the test, according to your rank, whatever you get.
Okay.
So for me, I got that time, I had the choice of oncology. Cancer is called oncology.
Okay.
And I was wondering if I should take oncology or not. And the time some of my seniors who said that, yeah, you go for oncology, because in the days to come, oncology would be a very, very needed branch because number of doctors are less, the specialty is less researched. So you'll be one of those torchbearers probably in treating cancer.
Mm-hmm.
And that really appealed to me.
Mm.
And then I joined oncology. I joined in PMCH, Patna Medical College, the Radium Institute, that is the
Okay.
cancer center in Patna Medical College. And that is one of the oldest cancer institute in the post-independent India.
Really
Yes, that is why it is called the Radium Institute.
interesting.
Because-
Still is there, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
that is where I started my MD.
Mm-hmm.
And that is how the cancer
Interesting.
journey started.
Okay. So मुझे थोड़ा बेसिक बताइए मैम कैंसर के बारे कि एक्चुअली कैंसर है क्या आपके हिसाब से?
So cancer is a chronic disease. It is just like diabetes, hypertension. Chronic means which stays with you for a long time.
Okay.
So cancer is that kind of a disease which stays with you. You have to live with cancer. Just
Okay.
like you live with diabetes, you live with blood pressure, hypertension. This is that kind of a disease. Now, what is cancer? हमारे बॉडी में cells होते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
So these cells, they keep on dividing.
Okay.
And when they divide, it is under the instruction of the body.
Okay.
The body cells tells the cells to divide. And the body sends signals to the cells that now you stop dividing. So that is how we grow. And
Okay.
after a certain point of time, we do not grow. Because the body has sent the signals to the cells that now you stop dividing.
Okay.
Okay. But these cancer cells, these are the naughty cells.
Okay.
The bad cells in the body which do not follow these instructions.
Okay.
जैसे स्कूल में होते हैं ना, कोई बदमाश बच्चे होते हैं.
ठीक
They
है.
will not listen to the teachers.
Got it.
It is like that.
Okay.
It is that bad cell which does not listen to instructions and it keeps on dividing.
Okay.
So that one bad cell divides into 2, 2 into 4, 4 to 8, and it keeps on multiplying till a large tumor is formed.
Okay.
And that tumor can form anywhere in the body. हमारे कोई भी organs में वो बन सकते हैं. और ये tumor जब बढ़ जाता है और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे वो फैलने लगता है. जैसे suppose it has started in one organ, लेकिन वो बढ़ते it is multiplying. So बढ़ के वो बाहर जाएगा. So it goes through the blood vessels, through the lymphatics to other parts of the body. And that is when we call it a stage 4 cancer because it has spread to all parts of the body. So that is why people are scared of cancer. Because if it is unchecked, if not treated, it spreads to other parts of the body. So this is why there is a taboo about cancer. People are scared of cancer. While this is not true, many things has advanced, many things have changed. So all this we will discuss today.
Okay, great. सबसे पहली बात तो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग दैट यू आपने जो बताया पूरा डिटेल के साथ बताया लाइक एक सिंपल वे में कि कैंसर के बारे व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द कैंसर हमारे बॉडी में सेल के हिसाब से कैसे अलग अलग तरह से होता है
Yes.
और उसका एक क्या होता है, एक बेसिक मतलब देखा जाए तो हर एक इंसान को अंदर होते हैं बैड सेल, बट यू हैव टू उसको क्या कहते हैं उसको सेफ रखना चाहिए हमें। तो उसके लिए आई थिंक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल भी चाहिए,
Yes,
राइट?
yes, yes,
सो विल
yes.
टॉक अबाउट दैट। ओके, कितने टाइप का कैंसर होते हैं मैम, अगर कैंसर की बात करें?
Cancer is innumerable.
ओके,
एक ऑर्गन को ही हम ले, एक ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, लंग कैंसर, दे आर innumerable. In
Okay.
fact, every 2 cancers, they are different.
ओके,
So every 2 person will be treated differently. So there are many types of cancers. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कितने तरह के हैं, बहुत बहुत तरह के कैंसर्स होते
मतलब
हैं।
बहुत तरह के होते
एंड
हैं।
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन विच ऑर्गन वो शुरुआत होती है। जैसे कि ब्रेस्ट में शुरुआत होती है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, लंग में शुरुआत हुई तो लंग कैंसर। सो इट डिपेंड्स कि कहाँ से इसकी शुरुआत होती है।
ओके, ऐसी क्या क्या चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से ये कैंसर होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा होता है?
कैंसर का कोई ऐसे रीजन अभी वी स्टिल डू नॉट नो।
Like you told me about the
Yes,
bad cell.
yeah.
Okay.
सो ये बैड सेल जो बढ़ने लगता है, क्यों, वाई दिस बैड सेल हैज बिकम बैड,
Right.
वाई नॉट द अदर्स, ये एक्चुअली नोबडी नोज द रीजन।
Okay.
बट देयर इज डेफिनेटली हमारे सेल के अंदर न्यूक्लियस रहता है, उसके अंदर हमारा डीएनए क्रोमोसोम्स रहता है। सो देयर इज समथिंग समवेयर इन द नेचर, इन द बॉडी which changes that chromosome.
Like for example जैसे बात करते सिंपल में भाषा में बात करूँ तो जैसे बोलते कि अल्कोहल से कैंसर होता है या तंबाकू से
I'm coming
कैंसर।
to that. वो they are the predisposing factors.
Okay.
एक है कि क्यों हो रहा है कैंसर, why that cell is not following instructions. That is because उसी सेल के अंदर न्यूक्लियस में there are some changes, उसलिए वो कैंसर बाकी सेल्स जैसे बिहेव नहीं कर रहा है। अब द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वो चेंज क्यों आया है, उस सेल में वो चेंजेस क्यों आया है। दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अ सेवरल फैक्टर्स।
Okay.
देयर आर मेनी वी नो, देयर आर मेनी वी डू नॉट नो। So let us for example take the example of tobacco, because that is the commonest form of cancer. So tobacco smoking हमारे बॉडी में, हमारे लंग के या एनी ऑर्गन, उसके सेल के जो न्यूक्लियस में वो चेंज करता है।
that is I was trying to say
Yes.
कि वो एक जगह पे जाके हिट करता है, फिर वो उसके लिए क्या है कि क्या वो उसके लिए मान लो कि देसी में बोल दे कि उसके लिए पॉइजन है और
Yes,
वो मतलब
yeah,
एक मेडिसिन है जो
yes.
उसको इफेक्ट करता है।
Yes, it's
वो जो
kind of a
effect
poison,
करता है,
that is a better word. So it affects that bad cell, and it does not allow it to follow the instructions of the body.
Correct, yeah.
And it keeps on.
Yeah.
मैं कंट्रोलिंग फैक्टर जो होती है बॉडी की, वो हट जाता है उस सेल से, और ये कंट्रोलिंग फैक्टर हट जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ सम अदर रीजन। इट कैन बी टोबैको, it can be some medicine, some radiation, it can be anything, it can be food, anything. So अभी जो हमारे हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, the WHO also says that most of the cancers, many of the cancers, about 50% of the cancers are because of our lifestyle.
Okay.
So they are a lifestyle associated disease. So when you talk of lifestyle, that means it is within our control. लाइफस्टाइल लेके हम जन्म नहीं लेते हैं, लाइफस्टाइल हम अपने अंदर बदलते हैं, वी इम्बाइब दैट लाइफस्टाइल, सो इट इज विद इन आवर कंट्रोल, दैट मीन्स इट इज प्रिवेंटेबल. सो इट मीन्स दैट अबाउट 50 to 60% ऑफ द कैंसर्स आर प्रिवेंटेबल, वी कैन प्रिवेंट देम.
ओके, ग्रेट, दैट साउंड गुड कि इस चीज को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. सो मेनी ऑफ द जो कैंसर्स होते हैं, इफ वी गो back and see, it is like, a calamity, a tragedy which we have called upon ourselves. I always say that, cancer, it is a preventable tragedy, a tragedy which could have been prevented.
तो मैम मुझे बताइए कि अगर प्रिवेंटेबल है, ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेप अगर हमें पता है, सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताइए फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है कि हमें पता लगे कि ये कैंसर का सिम्टम है.
Symptoms, yeah. So I think first I'll talk about the causes of cancer.
Okay.
What are the causes of cancer? Like I said, it is most of the cancers are preventable. But if we have to enumerate the causes, 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे करके हमें नंबर देना है कितने causes है कैंसर के, so there are many. First is the genetic. लेकिन जो family में run करता है.
Is it genetic also cancer could be?
Yes, but इतना डरने की बात नहीं है because about 10 to 12% only are genetic cancers.
Okay. I have one more questions, ma'am, in about genetic. अगर कोई भी ऐसे कैंसर हो या कोई भी बीमारी हो वो जेनेटिक होती है, क्या वो बाय द टाइम वो चेंज हो सकता है? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे ये एक जेनेटिक बीमारी है फॉर मान लो, लेकिन वो बाय द टाइम लाइक इन फ्यूचर जनरेशन या उसके वो चेंज हो सकता है खाने पीने से, लाइफस्टाइल से?
हाँ, यस. अब जेनेटिक है, सपोज आई हैव कैंसर, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी माय चाइल्ड विल हैव अ कैंसर. उसको चांसेस ज्यादा होंगे, रिस्क ज्यादा होंगे, बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी किसी को कैंसर होगा. सो जेनेटिक है, फैमिली में है, इट डजंट मीन दैट द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन विल डेफिनेटली हैव. So they have a risk of developing cancer, which can be, there are other ways to prevent it or to get it diagnosed in the early stages. So coming back to the causes, genetic एक cause है, but about 10% causes are the genetic. Others are lifestyle, जिसमें आता है tobacco, alcohol. Then हमारा आज का जो हमारा जीवन शैली है बैठ के काम करने का, that is there is no exercise.
Right.
And जब हम exercise नहीं करते हैं, एक ही जगह में बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, we tend to overeat and obesity. So obesity is also another predisposing factor for cancer.
मैम एक सवाल है, क्या अल्कोहल एंड तंबाकू कितने % कैंसर के चांसेस होते हैं उससे?
अल्कोहल अलग से, अगर खाली अल्कोहल कोई कुछ समय हाफ अ पेग ले तो दैट इज नॉट इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ. लेकिन टोबैको अब चाहे 1 ले या 10 ले, इट इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ. एंड अल्कोहल एंड टोबैको दोनों अगर साथ में लेते हैं, इट इज पॉइजनस. It is very dangerous.
Damn.
So both should not be taken together.
लोगों को वरी होना चाहिए क्योंकि पीपल आजकल के टाइम में बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कि ज्यादातर टाइम लोग पार्टी करते हैं, बैठते हैं एंड दे आर टेकिंग पॉइजन.
दोनों एक साथ लेते हैं. And little do they understand that they are instilling poison within their body.
Shit.
And what do we want to prove? We just want to show to the world that I am modern, I'm stylish. It is not actually, but this is what people believe, and this is what the media has, shown that if you are smoking a particular kind of cigar, if you are drinking a particular type of wine, then you are rich, you are glamorous, you are a particular standard. So this is what the media has told us, and we rely so much on the media. So this is actually not good.
Okay.
Like I said, genetic, tobacco, any form of tobacco.
Okay.
चाहे हम चबाने वाली हो, smoking हो, any kind of tobacco is injurious for health.
Okay.
Tobacco not only causes cancer, it causes other diseases also, heart disease. It causes your cardiac, it injures your stomach. It's gastritis होता है. So it is injurious. Tobacco is injurious for every organ of your body.
Okay.
Alcohol, like I said, your food habits. Food is that we eat more of fancy foods, जिसमें roughage कम होते हैं, that is fibers कम होते हैं, green vegetables कम होते हैं. So the kind of food we eat, that is also a predisposing factor. जैसे हम आजकल ज़्यादा roughage fiber नहीं रहता है फूड में, हम फास्ट फूड ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, उसमें वेजिटेबल्स नहीं होते हैं, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स ये कम होते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें अगर कम होता है फूड में, सो दैट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ प्रीडिस्पोजेस टू सम काइंड्स ऑफ कैंसर.
ओके. सो मैम किस टाइप ऑफ फूड हमें कंज्यूम करना चाहिए?
सो द फूड विच वी शुड हैव इज, इट शुड हैव फाइबर. फाइबर का मतलब होता है इसमें रफेज होना चाहिए. इट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैदा एंड आटा. Atta has got roughage. Maida does not have roughage or fiber. So the more fiber we have in food, that is healthy for that diet. So fiber वाले food हमें लेना है. Vegetables, जिसमें different kinds of vegetables, all kinds of vegetables, they should be in the diet. Especially the leafy vegetables, colored fruits, colored vegetables. They are very, very good for health and also it protective for many carcinogens. Carcinogens means those factors which cause cancers.
Okay.
Liquid काफी होना चाहिए डाइट में हमारे.
किस टाइप का लिक्विड?
लिक्विड at least 3 liters liquid every at least. Liquids होना चाहिए
हमारे डाइट. Are you talking about the water or liquid like a juice?
Liquids, any liquids. Water of course is necessary. It flushes your whole system. But when you talk about liquid, it is the entire liquid.
आजकल की जो लिक्विड होता है कभी आर्टिफिशियल भी होता है. Is it that it's good for health?
Yeah, no, artificial, like, you offered me Coke, I did not take.
Exactly.
So, yes. So we should, include all these things in our lifestyle. Once in a while, a cheat day is fine.
Okay,
but,
that's fine.
Yeah, that is fine. But daily, every day, you are taking those kinds of junk food.
Right.
That is not good.
I think same kind of food is always not good. You should, take different kind of food.
Yes,
that I understood.
Yes,
and especially every season of food you should take.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes,
right, ma'am?
Yes. Okay. So it should be a balanced diet, fibers and liquids, proteins, fat, everything is needed.
Okay.
A balanced proportion that is needed.
So I'm going to come to the food again. Okay. Before that, I want to know हमारी lifestyle किस तरह का होना चाहिए.
I think this is very important now, lifestyle. Because हम लोग सबको ही सोचते हैं मेरा lifestyle तो बहुत अच्छा है. Very अच्छा means very healthy. लेकिन what is healthy lifestyle?
Yes.
So healthy lifestyle is again exercise should be there. Mobility should not be there. एक जगह में बैठ के हम काम करते हैं. That is not good. So exercise होना चाहिए. In that way you lose weight. Obesity एकदम नहीं होना चाहिए. Obese जैसी fat बढ़ता है हमारे body में. Again fat is related to more food, bad food and less exercise. So that is all. They're all interrelated actually.
Right.
So obesity हमें जैसे weight बढ़ता है, our first concern would be to decrease the weight.
Okay.
At the same time, I would like to say there are many other causes of obesity. किसी को hormonal problem होता है, किसी को और problem है जिसके लिए weight बढ़ रहा है. So before you go on a crash diet or some exercise, एक बार डॉक्टर से दिखा लेना चाहिए that what is the cause of my obesity.
Right.
अगर lifestyle related है, तो of course वो weight reduce करना चाहिए. अब कितना what kind of exercise should we have? So it is not that सबको gym भागना है.
Right.
It's not that. But of course, definitely, gym gives overall exercise for the entire body. But it's okay. I understand everybody cannot go. But what everybody can do is giving 30 minutes of your time daily to your body.
Okay.
That is 30 minutes time of walking. Kuch bhi nahi hai, do a brisk walking for 30 minutes.
Okay. What is the good time to do? Like
anytime you have. Okay. You can spare for yourself. Now there are many women or men, they say that नहीं हम तो भाग के काम करते हैं. I always take the stairs. मेरा काम ही है भागते हैं, बच्चों के पीछे भागते हैं. That is not exercise. It's okay, good, you are running around. But exercise means your physical exercise and mental exercise.
Interesting. I like that.
It should be stress-free. So after this we'll come to stress.
Yeah.
So it should be stress-free. इसलिए जब आप those 30-35 minutes अपने लिए निकालेंगे, like you go out for a walk, it's better go out alone. Or if you have a close friend, your daughter, son, जिसके साथ you would talk about anything other than stress.
Right.
And don't carry your mobile.
Okay.
So बहुत समय लोग कहते हैं यहाँ पे earpod लगा लिए और walking कर रहे हैं. I don't consider it's a right form.
I think your mind that not walk.
Your mind, yes. You need your exercise. Stress-free for your mind, spiritually, that is mentally, spiritually, and physically. That are 3 levels. So yes, so that is why I tell everybody, 30 minutes of your time, go walk around in the open air, see the greenery. So that is a visual treat for your eyes also. Because every time you are so much cooped up in your phone and your screens. So that gives a rest to your eyes as well. So that is the kind of exercise we need every day.
Interesting. I love that,
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yes.
Okay. So एक चीज हमने बोला कि mind, okay? जब हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमारी एक पीसफुल माइंड कितना हेल्प करता है एक इस तरह का डिजीज को उसका जो सेल को प्रोटेक्ट कैसे करता है.
Yes, actually there may not be many evidences behind it,
Okay.
but we have seen patients coming to patients,
Okay.
patients who are stress-free, patients who are very positive, they tend to do well.
Oh, okay.
But again, it is nobody wants to be negative.
Right.
So it is how do we change ourselves? How do we make ourselves stress-free? So I think this is also a learning.
Right.
ये अपने आप को सिखाना पड़ेगा. Nobody by birth is perfect. So we have to teach ourselves how we should be stress-free.
Right.
So because in all of our lives, nobody's life is a cakewalk.
Right.
सबके हमारे अपनी difficulties हैं, अपने stress हैं. Many of the stresses or difficulties we don't have any answer. But yes, every day all of us are always fighting.
बिल्कुल.
All of us at the end of the day we want us to be happy. We want our children, our family members to be happy. And when we can't do that, that is what gives us stress. So I think we can talk about stress another time because it needs a long discussion. But
Okay.
for now, stress free होने के लिए I think first of all you need to change your mindset.
Okay. What's a simple way, जैसे आपने बताया कि एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल होना चाहिए इंक्लूडिंग द फूड.
Yes.
सो एक मुझे बताइए मैम, फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए? व्हाट शुड दे हैव टू स्टार्ट?
Yeah, so I think that's a very relevant question and practical.
Right.
So how do we start? So something which is like the meditation. हम पहले हमारे Indian culture में था. It's meditation in different way.
Right.
Meditation means you give time to yourself. You do some self introspection and you focus your mind to something other than your daily activities.
Okay.
So that is what is meditation. For somebody, it can be your God, whosoever your God is.
Yeah.
For somebody, it can be your religious book. For somebody, it can be what your passion is. For me, it can be my profession. For you, it can be what you are doing. For an artist, it can be your art. So
Right.
just sit and focus on that. Like for me, I am not that kind, I cannot sit and do meditation because that is not my nature.
Correct. And
But I'm saying this, because there are many who say that I cannot do that. But then how do you focus?
Right, ma'am.
So whichever is closest to your heart, just give yourself time and focus on that.
I think you well said one thing, that is why people are failing when they're doing meditation. Because there क्या होते हैं, बहुत लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आता where to start.
Yes.
And you have to understand the concept that is you have mentioned very well, which is I felt. Okay, आपको समझना चाहिए कि किस चीजों को लेके आपको करना चाहिए. Is that correct?
Exactly. Absolutely. For everybody, it is different. Or another, so this is something which one should practice every time you get the opportunity.
So meditations, how help is for the peaceful mind, or
peaceful
or
mind,
only
and
for
a
the
peaceful
bodies?
mind stays in a healthy body.
Healthy body.
Healthy mind stays in a healthy body.
Interesting.
So they are very interrelated. If a mind is very disturbed, you can't expect the body to be very healthy.
Right.
Why? Because all these, our mind and body, they are connected with hormones. There are some hormones which are released when you are happy. There are some hormones which are released when you are very stressed, when you are in difficulty, when you want to cry. So there are different kinds of hormones, and all these hormones have different effect on your body. And that is how then the body cannot remain healthy. So the only thing which is very easy to do and you need to get into your system is meditation in whatever form.
Okay.
If I like to paint, for me, painting is a meditation. So I would take out about 20 minutes of my time to just paint.
Okay.
For somebody, it can be reading a book. So I'll just take out 20 minutes of my time in a room. I'll shut myself out in a room where me and my book will be there. That
Right.
means me and my meditate. So that would be there. So
Okay.
a relationship between two things.
I think all of this particular thing which is you're telling me, that I found one thing, that is, you have to connect with your own state
Own
and your
self.
mind.
Yes, very right. Very right. Very
And
right.
that is help not only your peaceful mind in your personal relationship, your
Everything, everything.
words, the way you speak, your positive word, your negative word, also around people who's around you, the
Yes.
relationship you have.
Yes.
That's also helped you to they all the other things apart from your health.
Exactly.
And okay, everything will be go well when you're doing those kind of things. That is, I'm understanding.
Absolutely.
And
So everything boils down to the expectations. We have expectations from our relatives, our
Correct,
friends, our
correct.
colleagues,
Hmm.
and expectations from ourselves.
Hmm.
So we'll have to stop that expectation, and the meditation helps you in that.
Right.
You didn't understand that everything else is so futile.
Hmm.
You saw this in Air India accident.
Right.
No, nobody had time to think.
Bilkul.
So life is like that.
Hmm.
So why to stress?
Okay, so this is the one of the form, right? What about others? So we talk about like first step would be either you should take meditation or exercise. Okay, so is there any other form like
Yes, for
about
many,
the
there
food
are
habit?
all kind of people. There are people who may not have time even to meditate.
Hmm.
They are working women who are working outside. They come home, they teach their children, they run after their children, they have their parents in the home. I have seen,
Yeah.
there's so many responsibilities they take. So for them, I say, before you go to bed, so that time you have, nobody's snatching that time from
Right.
you.
Yeah.
So that time before you go to bed, take out that time, just switch off all lights and just close your eyes, lie down and listen to your favorite music. And just lie down for 20 minutes without anybody's intervention.
Okay.
And that is the best time, the most peaceful time where you look into yourself.
Okay.
And maybe you can fall asleep while you are
Yeah,
giving that time to yourself. So that much anybody can give.
Okay. Oh, I heard that one thing that less sleeping also harm their body. So in that case, अगर हम बात करें, जो इंसान बहुत कम सोता है, बहुत मेहनत काम करता है और उसका स्लीप टाइम बहुत लेस होता है.
Yes, actually, it is there. Of course, I can't say that sleep is not necessary. Sleep is needed, but at the same time, because that is the time your body recovers from the
Right.
whole day's activity. Body, mind, your spirit, everything recovers. So that time is needed, but that time is different for different people.
Right.
There are people I have seen who stays awake the whole day, whole night, and they sleep for 4 hours only.
Correct.
So
that is
that
I'm saying.
need may be different for different
What I
people.
mean to say, there is today's generation especially. See, if you see earlier and before mobile, अगर बात करें तो people are sleep time से सो जाते थे and उठ जाते थे. And when we have a phones, okay. स्पेशली जब आज के टाइम में जब से ही सोशल मीडिया में शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियोस आए हैं, पीपल इज कॉलिंग दे हैव नॉट सीन देन हाउ द देयर टाइम इज मूविंग ऑन एंड देन यू हैव टू वर्क अर्ली. सो उनके साथ क्या होता है, वो कम सोते हैं, फिर उसके बॉडी ना डिहाइड्रेट करने लगता है. आई थिंक जिस आई फाउंड वन थिंग, आपसे बात करके मुझे लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो भी आपकी बॉडी का जैसे जैसे डिजीजेस होती है, इस तरह का डिजीजेस को वो वेलकम करते हैं सब चीज़ें. वन ऑफ द रीजन इज दैट, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग, इज दैट वन ऑफ द रीजन कुड बी?
It's difficult to say. I don't know if there is any evidence to say that sleep is related to disease.
But it's
I'm not aware of. I don't know, and I won't really say anything regarding that. But at the same time, it is scientifically proved that a 10-minute nap or 20-minute nap during the day does a lot of good to your body.
Okay.
We as doctors, when we were in the training period, we hardly got to sleep.
You said 10 minutes or 20 minutes sleep.
Nap. Not even a sleep. A
Yeah,
nap.
yeah.
You sit down and just take a nap.
Yeah. Okay.
So that also does magic to your health.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
I
So if you can snatch that sleep, so that is also good.
मैम मुझे ये बताइए आप, एक माइंडसेट भी होता है, हमारी बॉडी का सेल हमारे माइंडसेट से बहुत कनेक्ट करता है. हाउ शुड वी टेक, हाउ द वे वी शुड टेक आवर माइंडसेट to become like our body can work more positive way, like especially from any diseases, cancer की बात करें तो.
Yeah, so I think, like I said, it is all about your lifestyle, changing your lifestyle.
Okay.
And like I said, your exercise is important. It has to be incorporated in your lifestyle. The food habits, that has to be incorporated in your lifestyle.
Okay.
And activity. Don't sit at one place.
Okay.
So that has to be included in the lifestyle. So all these need to be included in the 24 hours you get in a day.
Okay.
So, and gradually, in the beginning, it can be difficult, but for about 15 days, if you are practicing, then it becomes a habit.
Okay. So, as per your experience, किस तरह के लोगों को ज़्यादातर कैंसर इश्यूज फेस करना पड़ता है? मतलब किस टाइप?
So, I think there's no category of people generally, but we have seen people whose lifestyle is unhealthy, they are more predisposed to cancer.
Okay.
So among them, the obesity, the exercise habits, and the food habits, they're very important.
Okay.
So they are generally very predisposed. But at the same time, there are people who would say that we have patients who say that I've been smoking tobacco since so many years and my lifestyle is bad, but even then I'm very healthy. But that is not the ideal case. They should not be the idols.
Sometimes your immunity work,
Yeah, it's just like a chance, so many people cross the road every day. So there are people who drive rash. There are people who do not drive rash. But, one person meets with an accident. So that one person could be anybody. So it's a matter of chance.
Correct.
So why to expose yourself to that chance? And especially when we say that cancer, and not only cancer, many others are lifestyle oriented disease. So if you can prevent them, so why not do it today?
Okay. So, ma'am, what's the early stage to know that this is the symptom of cancer?
Yes. So when we have been talking of how to prevent cancer, so there is something very important. We should know that early diagnosis is very important.
Right.
So cancer is a disease where early diagnosis is important. So we have 4 stages of cancer. First stage, second stage, they are curable cancers.
Okay.
Third stage is not a curable, but it can be controlled.
Okay.
Fourth stage is not a curable cancer, but we can expand the life. So the earlier it is diagnosed, if the cancer is diagnosed in the first and the second stage, the chances of getting cured are much higher. The expenses in getting the treatment done is much less.
Okay.
But जैसे जैसे स्टेज बढ़ते जाती है, in third and the fourth stage, क्योर होने के चांसेस, ठीक होने के चांसेस become less. And expenses become more. So you understand, the earlier it is detected, the cure chances are much higher and your expenses are much less. So why not get detected early? But then, to get detected early, I should know, when do I go to a doctor? When do I suspect cancer? That is, what are the warning bells of cancer?
Okay, right.
Then again, unfortunately, there are no such warning bells. Ki cancer ki, most of the cancers are silent. They don't have any symptoms. Symptoms तभी आते हैं, लक्षण उसके तभी आते हैं, लक्षण तभी आते हैं जब वो बढ़ गए हैं, जब उसकी स्टेज एडवांस्ड हो गए हैं. This is unfortunate. But so what we say to all patients, all people, not patients, that अगर आपकी कोई भी सिम्टम्स हो, कौन सी सिम्टम्स अभी बताएंगे, कोई भी तकलीफ हो जो आपको परेशान कर रही है फॉर मोर देन 3 weeks, 3 हफ्ते से कोई आपको सिम्टम्स, लक्षण तंग कर रहे हैं और वो जनरल मेडिसिन से ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, तब आपको एक बार स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर के पास जाके पूछ लेना चाहिए कि कहीं ये कैंसर तो नहीं है. एंड आई विल टेल यू, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज नॉट कैंसर, बट एटलीस्ट वी हैव रूल्ड आउट कैंसर. हमने ये तो पता कि हाँ चलो कैंसर तो नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर द साइंस, व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स वी शुड बी लुकिंग फॉर? कोई अनएक्सप्लेन्ड वेट लॉस, किसी को हम, आई एम नॉट going ahead with any crash diet, I'm not going ahead for any deliberate weight loss, but weight is losing. 3 हफ्ते से ज़्यादा it is losing and I try to redeem it, recover it, but it is not happening. Then go to a doctor. सेकंड इज कहीं पे कोई गांठ हो, बॉडी में कहीं पे कोई गांठ हो, उसमें पेन नहीं हो.
Okay.
जनरली कैंसर के गांठ में पेन नहीं होता है शुरुआत के स्टेज में.
Okay.
तो कहीं पे एनीवेयर इन द बॉडी अगर गांठ दिख रहा है, चाहे छोटा हो बड़ा हो, और वो साइलेंट है, तो एक बार दिखाना चाहिए.
Okay.
अगर आवाज बदल गया है, 3 हफ्ते से ज़्यादा हमने एंटीबायोटिक ले लिया, ENT के डॉक्टर को दिखा लिया, एंड वो आवाज़ ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, तब एक बार स्पेशलिस्ट को दिखाना चाहिए. कहीं कैंसर तो नहीं है.
Okay.
कहीं से ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, चाहे माउथ से, दैट इज खाने के रास्ते से, सांस के रास्ते से, लैट्रिन के रास्ते से, यूरिन से, कहीं से ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, वेजाइना से, या डिस्चार्ज दैट इज पानी आ रहे हैं, और उसकी इलाज हमने 3-4 हफ्ता कराया है, लेकिन उससे फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ है, तब एक बार जाना चाहिए डॉक्टर के पास कि कहीं ये कैंसर तो नहीं है.
Okay.
इसके अलावा फीवर, काफ़ी दिन से फीवर है, वो नीचे नहीं हो रहा है. और ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट साइन है, पोस्ट मेनोपॉजल ब्लीडिंग. महीना रुक गया है, उसके बाद इवन एक स्पॉट भी ब्लीडिंग आई है, प्लीज गो टू अ कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट.
Okay.
So this is very simple. ये सारी symptoms, anything abnormal you see going on for 3 weeks, not getting cured with your normal treatment,
Yeah.
then get a specialized opinion.
Okay. Okay.
So this way, most of the nowadays we see breast cancer is getting diagnosed so early, so it has become a curable cancer.
How do people know? मतलब लोगों को पता कैसे लगेगा कि जैसे कि आप ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की बात कर रहे हो. Okay. How do they will get to know?
So breast cancer के लिए specifically there are not only breast cancer, there are some cancers जिसके लिए screening test है.
Okay.
Screening test का अर्थ है कि हमें कोई symptoms नहीं है. जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, हमें खांसी है, फीवर है, कोई भी सिम्टम्स नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ जांचें हमें रेगुलरली कराना चाहिए, जिससे कि हमें कुछ कैंसर्स जल्दी पता चले. इसमें इसको स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट बोलते हैं. ये टेस्ट उन पब्लिक में किए जाते हैं जिनमें कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं है. जैसे पब्लिक में, जैसे आपने सुना होगा मैमोग्राफी, पैप्समियर टेस्ट. सो पैप्समियर टेस्ट हम करते हैं बच्चेदानी सर्विक्स कैंसर के लिए. मैमोग्राफी करते हैं ब्रेस्ट कैंसर को जल्दी डायग्नोज कर लिए, बट मोर देन 40 years ऑफ एज. लेस देन 40 years ऑफ एज के लिए है हमारा सिंपल ब्रेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन. कोई भी लेडी आफ्टर शी हैज स्टार्टेड हर पीरियड्स, ब्रेस्ट सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन वो खुद कर सकती है अपने घर में, once a month. उसी में पता चल जाता है. स्मॉल उसकी तरीका होती है दैट वी ऑलवेज टीच. हम कॉलेजेस स्कूल में जाते हैं, उनको सिखाते हैं कि कैसे ब्रेस्ट सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन करना चाहिए. एंड अ स्मॉल छोटा सा गांठ यू विल नॉट मिस. बहुत समय वो और किसी तरीके से पता नहीं चलता है कि अपने सेल्फ ब्रेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन से पता चला, एंड दे कम टू अस. And many of the times it is not a cancer, but at least they have come to a doctor to take the opinion whether it is a cancer or not.
Right, got it. एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा, जैसे कि अगर बात करें कैंसर की, ये बहुत सारे ऐसे डिजीजेस होते हैं. आजकल क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे देखा जाता है कि बहुत सारे ब्लड टेस्ट का लोग कराते हैं, स्पेशली फ़ोन आते हैं लोगों के पास, ऐसे सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है. सो क्या ऐसे ब्लड टेस्ट वगैरह कराने से हमें पता लगेगा कि हमारी कैंसर की उसमें?
पर्सनली आई फील ये जो बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं ना, एवरीबॉडी सभी कोई कराते हैं, आई वोंट से कि करना नहीं चाहिए, बट देयर लेस चांसेस कि कैंसर उसमें डायग्नोज होगा.
हाँ, मैं वही स्पेशली कैंसर की बात.
यस, बहुत कम चांसेस है कि बहुत से हमारे पास पेशेंट्स आते हैं, वो कैंसर डायग्नोसिस वो बोलते हैं हम तो पिछले 5 साल से हम ये ब्लड टेस्ट हम करा रहे हैं, उसमें क्यों नहीं आया. कैंसर जनरली उसमें नहीं आता है, एक्सेप्ट मे बी प्रोस्टेट कैंसर का PSA कभी राइज हुआ, बट अदरवाइज दे डोंट कम. बट अदर कोई हार्ट की ब्लड प्रेशर, कोई लिवर की डिजीज, वो पता चल जाता है.
हाँ, वो पता वही लोग क्या होते कि वो रेगुलरली, जैसे हम कैंसर की स्पेशली बात करें, नॉर्मली रेगुलरली कहीं पे लोग हर 2 महीने में चेक करते हैं, या जो लोग करते हैं स्पेशली, तो दे आई एम ओके. बट जैसे जब बात करें कैंसर की, okay, so you have to go to the particular place.
Yes,
correct. That I meant to ask you that.
Yeah, for to a government hospital जहाँ पे facilities है.
हाँ.
So for the public, I think एक self breast examination, एक pap smear test cervix के लिए, और एक रेक्टल कैंसर के लिए कोलोनोस्कोपी होती है। ये सारे टेस्ट्स अगर हर 2 साल 3 साल में उसकी गाइडलाइंस होती है।
Okay.
सो अकॉर्डिंगली अगर कराते हैं तो बहुत समय कैंसर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कैंसर जल्दी पता चल जाता है।
Okay. मैम एक बात बताइए, डूइंग द कन्वर्सेशन व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल की बात कर रहे हैं हम, क्या एक जिनका बॉडी में फैट ज़्यादा है उनको कैंसर होने का चांस ज़्यादा है, या जिनका हेल्दी एक बॉडी रहता है मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर वेट रहता है उनका ज़्यादा रहता है?
या तो फैट कंटेंट जिसमें ज़्यादा रहेगा, फैट एडिपोज टिश्यू ज़्यादा रहेगा, उसमें they are predisposed to cancer.
Okay, so I know also doing the conversion I understand one thing, that we should take vegetable and the same thing.
Fibers, yeah, vegetables,
right.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to know that लोग non-veg भी बहुत खा रहे हैं आजकल, prefer कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, I am a non-veg.
Yeah, everyone does. Okay,
yes.
Most people. मेरा पॉइंट ये है, मैंने सुना है ये बात कि नॉन-वेज खाने से भी कई बार वो कैंसर का
no, that's
not really.
That's not true.
That's not true.
That's not true. It has to be balanced.
Okay.
And red meat जो होते हैं ना, the
I'm talking about the red meat.
हाँ, red meat. So उसकी content कम होना चाहिए. If you want, you can have that once a week.
Okay.
But chicken, fish, egg in fact is called a complete diet, complete food.
Okay.
So these should be.
Okay.
In fact, जो नॉन-वेज नहीं खाते हैं उनको प्रोटीन की अमाउंट थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
They have to. They do not have the animal protein source.
Okay.
So they need to supplement on their protein content.
Okay. Okay.
So it is absolutely not true that जो नॉन-वेज हैं उनको कैंसर ज़्यादा होता है.
Okay. Okay. एक क्वेश्चन है, जैसे प्रोटीन की बात करते हैं मुझे आया, people are nowadays taking many proteins, especially बहुत सारे आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन भी आती है, करेक्ट? क्या वो चीज़ें एक मतलब हमारी जो कैंसर हो या किसी भी तरह का बीमारी से, क्या वो उससे भी इफेक्ट कर सकता है, स्पेशली कैंसर की बात करें?
No, not there is no direct evidence like that.
Okay.
But again, at the end of the day, it has to be balanced. It has to be balanced. Taking a lot of protein, that it may affect your kidneys. It can affect some other organs. But there's no direct relation to the occurrence of cancer as my knowledge goes. And there's no evidence. But yes, it has to be a balanced diet. Nothing should be in excess.
Okay. What are the myth about cancer? क्या myth है?
Yes. So cancer is a disease. Like I said, it has लोग कैंसर का नाम नहीं लेते हैं. सो इससे टबूज बहुत है एंड लोगों को डर बहुत है. और इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे मिथ्स भी बहुत है. जिसको हम भ्रम बोलते हैं. इसके ये बहुत सारे हैं. उसमें एक तो है कि कैंसर में अगर किसी को हुआ है उसकी मौत तो निश्चित है.
ये मिथ है.
यस, ये मिथ है. ये सो दिस इज भ्रम है. मिथ मीन्स इट इज अ public opinion. They believe
that is because of used to earlier में स्टेज में इसका इलाज नहीं था इसीलिए हुआ था.
Yes, but that is not true.
Okay.
Like I said, cancer, if diagnosed early, most of the cancers they can be cured.
Okay.
The second is that बायोप्सी अगर हम लेंगे तो कैंसर फैल जाएगा. इट इज नॉट ट्रू. दैट इज अ मिथ अगेन कि बिना बायोप्सी का हम कैंसर का ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो बायोप्सी लेना जरूरी है. तो ऑल दोज हु आर लिसनिंग, अगर बायोप्सी से डरते, लोग क्या करते हैं, बायोप्सी नहीं लेना है, और जो भी डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं सबको बायोप्सी के लिए कहते हैं, लेकिन बायोप्सी नहीं लेते हैं. उसी क्रम में बीमारी बढ़ जाती है. जो पहला स्टेज है उससे वो चौथे स्टेज में पहुंच जाते हैं.
Can you tell me about what is the biopsy?
Biopsy means कैंसर जब हुआ है, किसी को गांठ हुआ है, हम उससे टिश्यू लेके हम जांच करते हैं, माइक्रोस्कोप में देखते हैं कि उसमें कैंसर के सेल्स है कि नहीं.
Okay.
तो without that we can't diagnose a cancer. So without biopsy we cannot diagnose a cancer. इसलिए बायोप्सी लेना जरूरी है. But get it done. कोई भी कर दे ऐसा नहीं. जिसको आता है बायोप्सी लेने, स्पेशली ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट जो कैंसर के स्पेशलिस्ट है, उनको आता है कैसे लेना है बायोप्सी, कि सही जगह से वो बायोप्सी ले. और इसके अलावा और मिथ्स है कि अगर कैंसर हो गया है तो हमारे आसपास में जो जिसके साथ हम बैठते हैं उनको भी कैंसर हो जाएगा. ये भी गलत है. बिल्कुल गलत है. कैंसर छुआछूत से नहीं फैलता है. अब साथ में बैठिए, लेटिए, सोइए, खाना खाइए, नथिंग एट ऑल, बच्चों के साथ रहिए. Nobody, cancer does not spread with
Spread.
touch.
Okay.
In fact, cancer जब diagnosis होता है तब patients need more of love and affection. तो जितना साथ में रहे, प्यार बांटे, वो बेहतर है वो.
Okay.
So these are the main myths about cancer.
Okay. All right, ma'am. And is there any like in doing your long time of experience, कोई ऐसे केस है जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा like बहुत मतलब पेनफुल था आपके लाइफ में, वो पेनफुल था कि ऐसा केस आपने देखा है? Is there any
there
case?
are many, there are many.
Is there any which is you are always like in your mind like?
There are, but if I talk about that will open up another area.
I'm just a story. Another area. I just want.
I had a patient. So she was a young girl.
Okay. How old she was?
She was about 25, 26 years old.
Okay.
I've talked about this in many platforms. So she came with colon cancer. और वो आई अपने चाचा and father, brother, इन सबके साथ आई.
Could you please tell me about the colon cancer? क्या होता है?
कोलोन है आंतों के कैंसर.
Okay.
इंटेस्टाइन्स के कैंसर. उसके साथ आए थे. But that is not important. Any cancer. That can be any cancer.
Okay.
वो young लड़की आई. She was diagnosed with cancer. अपने पेरेंट्स, चाचा, भतीजा सबके साथ आई. And they came. बहुत देर तक डिस्कशन हुआ कि क्या ट्रीटमेंट करना है. तो जब हम बात करते हैं पेशेंट से, वी टॉक अबाउट द स्टेज, क्या ट्रीटमेंट है, व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम इट, एवरीथिंग, सब चीज़ हम बात करते हैं. और उस पेशेंट के लिए प्लान था कि हम उसे सर्जरी करेंगे और सर्जरी के बाद हम रेडिएशन या कीमोथेरेपी देंगे. टू माई अटर डिस्पेयर, द फैमिली उसी समय हमारे साथ बैठ के दे डिसाइडेड कि मुझे नहीं कराना है ट्रीटमेंट.
Okay. Is it only girl or family?
That is the next point.
Okay.
Nobody asked the girl.
Oh.
Nobody asked the mother of the girl. What do you want? Because the girl was dependent. Maybe the mother is also dependent. All the male members of the family, they decided कि नहीं, and they were, let me tell you, they were all educated. They decided कि हमें नहीं कराना है treatment.
Okay.
And I was so shocked. I said कि आप लोग डिस्कस कर लो. If you think money is a problem, we will support you. There are Prime Minister's Fund, there are many funds which support cancer patients. लेकिन नहीं, हमारे पास पैसे की तो ये नहीं है, बट क्या फ़ायदा है अभी करा के. So, but that is not important. What have they decided? But nobody discussed with the girl. Now, the parents, I said कि आप लोग बाहर बैठ के आराम से डिस्कस कर लीजिए. Come back with more questions you have. And let us, don't take such a rash decision. Because it is not only with the treatment. अभी इनको तो she doesn't have any symptoms. इसके बाद अब छोड़ देंगे तो बीमारी बढ़ेगी, उनको तकलीफ पड़ेगा.
Right.
तब क्या करेंगे? उस समय तो ट्रीटमेंट पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. So they left and this girl, she came alone.
Okay.
She came, चुपचाप आई, से पूछी कि मैम कितना खर्चा होगा हमारे इसमें. I said कि you just tell me that you will get the treatment. You will take the treatment, and I will assure that you will get the treatment done. Don't think of the money.
Okay.
Well, there are people who will support. Hospital support करेंगे. So there are many good people on this earth.
Okay.
So I understood she wants to get treated, but she doesn't have the voice that my decision will be respected.
Interesting.
So that opens up, other areas, that how at the women, again, this is not to be discussed because it's a different
It's just
matter.
a story we are just talking.
Yes. I feel bad. Even today, it's been almost about 12 years since this thing happened. But, it left me thinking that, we many times we are very blessed that we can take our decisions. But in many families, they don't have the right to take the decision about their own lives.
Yeah.
So a cancer which could have been cured, maybe we could have given her a good lifestyle, that we could not do it just because the family did not agree.
So फिर उसके बाद उनका हुआ फिर?
We don't know. They just left. They were angry. That's not why we are insisting that one should take the treatment.
Okay. Got it.
But at the same time, we have seen other side also. We have seen absolutely very advanced cancer, and the family has, even they don't have so much money, so they have done everything. The whole family has come together. कि नहीं इसके लिए कुछ कीजिए.
Okay.
Even for an elderly who doesn't have long to live, but the family has got together. They have pooled their money to see that the father or whoever the family member is gets the best treatment. So there are both sides.
Okay. In this long journey of life, what best advice you ever received?
What I have always believed and what I have learned in my school is that giving priority. I think for everybody, setting your priority is very important. And that actually makes the changes. People say luck. कि उसका luck अच्छा था. It is not. There is nothing called luck. It is just that the person who has gone ahead has made the right decision at the right time, and because he has set his priority. During our life, आपके life में भी हुआ होगा, you are at a crossroad when you are thinking there have been so many things coming up that अब हम क्या करें? Which should I take my decision? Should I set my own dream, my own career as a priority, or should I look after my children's needs, or should I look after the other things? I'm not saying others are not important, but to see that all of things, your family responsibility, children responsibility, everything to walk together, you have to set one goal that this is my priority.
Interesting.
With that, I'll have to encompass everything else. I'm not saying that the family is not important, but only if you have one path to go, that this is my priority, my career is important to me. Because if I say that my career is not important, nobody else will think so.
Yeah.
So that priority at every moment of life, that dilemma comes, कि अब क्या करे? You have got job opportunities. You may have 3-4 job opportunities. Some is difficult, some are very good but difficult. Some are not so difficult but easy, but they're not that good. Taking the priority, what is your priority?
Got it.
So it is just that, priority at the right time, at the right moment is what makes the difference.
Got it.
And priority when you have is when you pick up the opportunity. Every time some opportunity comes, and many times we think that opportunity तो छोटा सा है ये, इससे अच्छा है कि I can do my own work. So why to go for this? But it's not, the opportunity knocks just once. So that picking up the opportunity is very important, and setting priority in your life, thinking very judicially is important.
Got it.
And that
Got
makes
it.
the difference.
Okay, thank you so much. And I'm going to ask one more thing. Is there any quote you have, your favorite quote, which is you like to follow?
For me is let go. That if you have not achieved something, if something does not come up to your expectations, if something does not go your way, let it go. If it has to come, it will come. And if it was not yours, it will not come.
I love that. Interesting. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was like a pleasure to have a conversation with you. And I'm sure whatever we are having conversation on this particular episode, it's super amazing because it's a particular thing which is call it disease. And some people say dangerous कभी-कभी. बट उसको हम कैसे सिंप्लीफाई, उससे हम दूर रह सकते हैं, उसके बारे में हमने डिटेल के बात करी. एंड आई एम श्योर दिस एपिसोड विल बी हेल्प लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
Yeah, thank you so much, and I too enjoyed talking about something which is very close to my heart, and connecting that to emotions and connecting that to life.
Yeah,
I think it has been a wonderful.
I'm gonna have more things to talk about, which is I'm gonna talk about again, like it's not only the about that is I'm gonna talk about maybe some other time, like I'm gonna just mentioning here. Okay. There's the other aspect of the cancer. Okay, different kind of cancer is happening. Okay, especially female women's पे वो अपनी उनकी ये चैलेंजेस बहुत स्केरेड होते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए बिकॉज दे सॉ द ब्लड फ्लो हायर देन मैन. Okay, so we'll talk about that as well.
Yes.
For today, thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy the show, and
Yes.
I enjoy your conversation. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Shaheen. I really enjoyed the talk, and I hope it does send a good message, a right message to the people.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.